Okay, so I am new to makeup. I am a beginner. This is barely like my second or third time doing my makeup. I am not a pro. So if I didn't do something correctly, don't come at me too hard. But I would love for you guys to give me feedback and tips on what I could do better. Because, I'm just now getting into makeup at my grown age. I want to learn. I have never been into makeup. I've always embraced my natural beauty because I just feel like I'm that girl without makeup. But makeup does enhance your beauty, and like I said, I want to learn. So, yeah. So this is me trying. I went to Sephora and there was an employee that helped me gather everything that I needed for my skin tone. So hopefully she didn't do me dirty and gave me all the right stuff, which I think she did, because when I was done, my face was not lighter than my neck. So I think she ate with that, and I think I did an okay job. I went for a natural look, and I feel like I executed. I did very well. I'm pleased with the outcome, but there is always room for improvement. And like I said, it's only my second or third time ever doing my makeup in my life. So it's only up from here, right? It's only up. And this eyeshadow was so freaking cute to me. Oh my goodness. Look at that eyeshadow. So that's glue that I applied on the eyelash, of course. Let it sit for about 30 seconds before applying it onto your eyelid. These lashes are cat eye lashes, and I've always been into lashes. I absolutely love these. I get them from Amazon. Don't worry about that little white glue because it will dry and it will become clear. But didn't I execute this natural look? I feel like I did. I don't care what nobody said.